Have you been wondering about the new Samsung Galaxy S25 series and what it will bring to the table? The wait is almost over. Thanks to a major leak by renowned industry insider Evan Blass, we just gotten a sneak peek at the upcoming models in the Galaxy S25 series, showcasing their stunning color options and giving us a closer look at what Samsung has in store for us. This year's Galaxy lineup includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the flagship S25 Ultra, all of which will be unveiled during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22. These models will each be available in 4 colors, but don't be surprised if special online exclusive shades make an appearance later. The leak reveals the color options in incredible detail, giving us a chance to see these phones up close and personal. While we had heard rumors and seen potential color lists in the past, this is the first time we get to witness the true look of these models. As for the internals, the Galaxy S25 series will be powered by the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This cutting-edge processor promises to deliver significant improvements in both performance and efficiency, making it one of the fastest and most efficient chipsets available in the smartphone world. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is designed to handle it all with ease. While the camera specs and battery life will likely be similar to previous Galaxy S models, the upgraded chipset is a major selling point. It will enhance the overall performance, ensuring that the Galaxy S25 series remains a top contender in the highly competitive smartphone market of 2025. Along with the boost in processing power, Samsung is also focusing on design with these new models. One feature that stands out is the upcoming Galaxy S25 Slim, a model set to release later this year. The S25 Slim will offer a thinner profile, making it an ideal option for those who prefer a lighter and more compact phone without sacrificing performance. Rumors suggest that it will feature the Ultra camera, which will likely include the same high-quality sensors as the S25 Ultra, ensuring excellent photography capabilities despite the slimmer design. However, there's one notable change in the leaked images that might catch your attention. Unlike the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, which will come in a vibrant navy blue, the S25 Ultra's blue variant appears more grayish in tone. While this may be a surprising shift, especially for those who were expecting a bold traditional navy, it doesn't detract from the overall premium design of the S25 Ultra. For those who are passionate about color options, Samsung has historically released exclusive color variants online, so it's always worth checking for special editions. Still, the black version is a classic and sophisticated choice that never seems to go out of style. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is the emphasis on artificial intelligence (AI). Samsung is taking a page out of Apple's playbook, integrating AI enhancements that are designed to streamline the user experience and make it even more intuitive. These improvements aim to enhance everything from camera performance to battery management, ensuring that users get the most out of their devices. If you're excited about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series and want to stay up to date with all the latest tech news, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty more exciting content coming your way, and we'll keep you informed on everything tech-related. See you in the next video. Do you enjoy the feel of a sleek, ultra-slim smartphone? If so, Samsung is about to present a device that could change your expectations for flagship phones. Meet the upcoming Galaxy S25 Slim, an exciting addition to the Galaxy S25 lineup that promises to combine style and power in an impressively thin design. While we are all eagerly waiting for the official unveiling of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, the Galaxy S25 Slim may take a bit longer to reach stores. But when it does arrive, it's expected to offer something truly special. The Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to be a thinner, lighter variant of the standard Galaxy S25. If you love the idea of a flagship phone with a super slim profile, this device might just be your next favorite. With flagship smartphones getting thinner and sleeker every year, the S25 Slim stands out as one of the slimmest options Samsung has ever made, at least among non-foldable devices. Early leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 Slim will measure approximately 159mm by 76mm with a thickness of just 6.4mm. To put that into perspective, it is thinner than the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models, which are 7.6mm and 7.7mm thick, respectively. While 1.2mm might not sound like a huge difference, it's noticeable when holding the device. The slimmer profile means the Galaxy S25 Slim will feel comfortable in your hand and fit easily into your pocket, offering a perfect balance between style and usability. But what makes the Galaxy S25 Slim more than just a pretty design? Beneath its slim exterior, the device is expected to be packed with powerful features. The S25 Slim will reportedly feature the same Snapdragon 8 Elite chip that powers the other Galaxy S25 models. This means you can expect the phone to perform excellently in terms of speed, multitasking, and even gaming. Whether you're streaming high-definition content, browsing the web, or playing the latest mobile games, the S25 Slim is built to handle it all. The phone will be more than capable of managing demanding tasks, all while maintaining that slender profile. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Slim is its camera system. The device is rumored to be equipped with a triple camera setup that includes a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. This powerful camera array will allow you to capture detailed, vibrant photos in a variety of situations, whether you're taking wide-angle shots, close-ups, or zooming in on distant subjects. Samsung is known for creating excellent cameras in its smartphones, and the S25 Slim is expected to continue this trend. Despite its slim design, the Galaxy S25 Slim is also said to pack a solid battery life. Leaks suggest the device will feature a battery capacity between 4,700 mAh and 5,000 mAh, which should provide plenty of power for a full day of use. Even with intensive activities like gaming, media consumption, and photography, the S25 Slim is expected to deliver a reliable battery performance that will keep you going throughout the day. Now let's talk about when you can get your hands on this stunning device. While Samsung has not officially confirmed the release date for the Galaxy S25 Slim, it is expected to be launched sometime in the second quarter of 2025. Samsung is likely to hold off on releasing this model until after the official launch of the other Galaxy S25 devices, which are expected to be unveiled in January 2025. As for pricing, there's no word yet, but given its premium features and slim design, it's likely to fall into the higher price range. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Are you ready for the next big thing in the smartphone world? The wait is almost over as Samsung gears up to unveil the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series on January 22, 2025, during the Unpacked event in San Jose, California. While we're still a few days away from the official launch, leaks and rumors have already given us a sneak peek at what's to come, and it's looking like Samsung is about to shake things up with this release. One of the most exciting parts of any new smartphone launch is the accessories that will be available alongside the device, and the Galaxy S25 is no exception. Samsung has always offered a wide variety of accessories, and this year, we're seeing a lot of exciting options that will make your new device even better. Whether you're planning to grab the Galaxy S25 as soon as it hits the market or are just curious about what Samsung has in store, these leaked accessories are definitely worth paying attention to. Let's start with the cases. Samsung is known for offering a range of options, and this time there's something for everyone. For those who prefer a simple and sleek look, silicone cases will be available in a variety of colors. These cases are soft to the touch, lightweight, and perfect for those who want to keep their device protected without adding any extra bulk. The best part? The colors of these silicone cases will match the new shades of the Galaxy S25, so you can get a case that complements your device perfectly, whether you prefer something subtle or a bit more vibrant. If you're looking for something with a bit more personality, Samsung will also offer textured cases. These cases provide a unique look and feel, making your Galaxy S25 stand out from the crowd. Some of these texture cases even come with built-in stands, allowing you to prop up your phone for hands-free use. Whether you're watching videos or browsing the web, the built-in stand adds extra convenience to your device. For those seeking a more premium option, Samsung will offer leather covers for the Galaxy S25. These cases come in a variety of elegant colors, such as black, white, brown, and gray. Not only do they give your device a luxurious high-end feel, but they also provide durable protection. If you want your Galaxy S25 to look and feel sophisticated, these leather cases are the perfect choice. But Samsung isn't stopping there. They've also designed some fun, funky cases for the Galaxy S25. If you want to express your personality, these unique cases come in bold patterns, bright colors, and unconventional designs. These cases add a fun element to your device while still offering the protection you need. In addition to the cases, Samsung will also offer an anti-reflective film for the Galaxy S25. This accessory helps reduce glare and improve the display experience, especially since the Galaxy S25 is expected to have one of the best screens on the market. If you've ever struggled with screen reflections, particularly in bright outdoor conditions, this film will make using your phone much easier by ensuring a clear, crisp display no matter where you are. All in all, Samsung is offering a wide range of accessories that will allow users to personalize and protect their Galaxy S25 in style. Whether you prefer a sleek silicone case, a premium leather cover, or something more fun and unique, Samsung has something for every type of user. The anti-reflective film will also make using your phone in bright conditions much more enjoyable, giving you a top-notch viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.